Okay, Gurucha explains now. Fire warm, brain cold. Me smash rocks of money truth for you. Humans think bank is giant cave of shiny coins just waiting. Huh? Joke funny. You tap plastic card at coffee hot. Barista swipe, poof. Number on screen grow like baby rabbit. No green paper fall from sky. No gold chunk from volcano. Bank not just guard treasure chest. Bank take deposits. Give you tiny pebble interest. Then push most coin back into world as loans. They keep only a slice, called required reserve, because law say hold some nuts for winter. If whole tribe rush cave at once, you get bank run. Big scary stampede, where bank can't hand out all shiny rocks. But hold club, story just start. If bank keep only tiny nuts stash, what happened to rest of nuts? Here real magic called fractional reserve banking. Fancy words mean keep little, lend lot. Example, you drop $100 in bank. Law say hold 10%, $10, and lend $90. Borrower spend $90. That cash lands in new bank. New bank hold $9, lend $81. Again and again like endless rabbit party. Economy called this money multiplier. 1 divided by reserve ratio. 10% reserve, multiplier about 10. First $90 loan can ripple into about $900 new dollars. On top of original $100 you stuffed in. No extra paper printed, just digital footprints breeding like spring rabbits. Sounds like free lunch, right? But magic feast can turn into mammoth stampede if tribe get too wild. This magic makes America run like wild horse. Loans build highways, startups, giant coffee chains. More lending equals more growth equals humans invent rocket shoes. But too much easy money, kaboom. Remember big housing bubble? Banks hand out loans like candy to saber-toothed cats with bad credit. When music stop, whole economy fall on butt. People lose huts, jobs, hair. Federal Reserve slam brakes, cut rates, pump emergency cash, whisper bedtime stories to calm Wall Street. Today's same engine still beat. Fed raise or lower interest like tribe leader open or close Watergate. If gate open too wide, prices rise like angry volcano. If gate shut, economy freeze like winter mammoth. So why bank risk all this? What make them dance near cliff edge? Why bank dance this crazy dance? Profit. They pay you small pebble interest. Charge borrower mammoth interest. Difference feed banker feast. But danger hide. Some hunters no pay back. Chiefs force bank keep chunk of own profit locked as capital requirements. Safety meet for bad season. And if you worry banker might run off with goat, tribe elders have last magic shield. Worried bank cave collapse. U.S. government spirit named FDIC guard up to $250,000 of each human's deposits per bank. If banker run off with goat, you still get money back. Now you know secret cave magic. Banks create money by lending dreams, not digging gold. Next time you tap card for coffee, remember, you join ancient ritual of money creation. Every swipe, every loan, every click makes invisible dollars multiply like rabbits in spring. Borrow smart. Diversify stash. Watch interest rates like Hunter watch storm cloud. That all. Me make more soon. You subscribe or me sad. Gurucha vanish now. Be oof.